headhunters. Now, there are three types of hiring professionals. In a few videos prior, I had talked about hiring managers and recruiters, but headhunters, many people are not familiar of their role. And so, just to quickly recap, we have hiring managers. Also, they may work with human resources management as individuals who can potentially hire. And we have recruiters and, of course, headhunters. So when we think about hiring managers, they work with the actual organization, in this case, healthcare facilities. And so they work in hospitals, nursing homes, medical practices, you name it. That's where you can find your hiring managers. And as a hiring manager, they're responsible for sorting through talent to fill vacant positions. So when you're looking for individuals to potentially connect with, it's very important to know their role. And one of the things that I love about LinkedIn is that it gives you the opportunity to see people's positions. It gives you the opportunities to see where people are working, the type of skill sets they have, because of how the app allows you to set up your profile. And so hiring managers, their jobs is to create the job descriptions and to work with their HR teams to find suitable candidates. Now, recruiters are a little different. So recruiters are professionals who work either in the healthcare facility itself or they're working for an external recruitment agency. And so they act as the liaison between the organization and the candidate to potentially fill a vacant position. Now, you have to note that recruiters, all of them, they work for the organization that has hired them. So you as a job candidate, this is why when you work with them, for the most part, they allow you to work with them for free. You don't have to pay anything out of your pocket because the payment is coming from the employer. But in the same light, you have to know that because the employer is paying them, that is their true boss. But if you have a good relationship with several recruiters, this is really can be used as a tool to help you secure a job, particularly in the healthcare space. Now, one thing that many people are not familiar with, but there are also a type of hiring professional is headhunters. And so we call them executive recruiters. Now, headhunters, they really specialize in recruiting candidates for executive or high level positions, especially in the healthcare space. And so if you are a healthcare professional who has enough experience, maybe I would safely say at the end of your mid career to senior executive level, then headhunters may be the best fit for you. Now, with headhunters, there are difference between recruiters and hiring managers is that their sole job is to intentionally seek out candidates. Okay, so for many headhunters, they're on the search. That is what they do each and every day. They're looking for high level candidates who can fit executive positions, especially in the healthcare space. So think about your C-suite positions. Think about your VP positions. Think about your senior director positions. This is usually what they are looking for and helping organizations hire. And so they're very strategic about what type of talent they attract. And they're looking for talent who has insight and the skills about the industry. Okay. But if you match the criteria of a headhunter, they come looking for you. And so, one of the things that I want to talk about tonight is how do you position yourself to gravitate and to capture the attention and even to cause for these hiring professionals to